Tashi Lhunpo Monastery was founded in Shigatse in central Tibet in the 15th century. It was the seat of the Panchen Lamas, renowned both for its scholarship and for its individual tradition of dances and sacred music. The Chinese occupation of Tibet in 1959 forced His Holiness the Dalai Lama into exile in India, along with thousands of Tibetans desperate to preserve their Buddhist heritage. 10 years later, a few monks from Tashi Lhunpo managed to escape the religious persecution of the Cultural Revolution by walking to freedom across the Himalayas. In 1972, the monastery was re-established in South India, in the Tibetan refugee settlement of Bailakupi. Tashi Lhunpo now provides a home for more than 400 monks and has once again become one of the most important centres of Buddhist learning and innovation, embracing science alongside the study of scripture.